Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Ernie's going to be talking about volume profiles, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description where you can find Ernie's education platform. Enjoy guys.
People often ask me, well, what about the volume profile on Thinkorswim? And I'm saying it's kind of subpar. And in fact, it's not a great representation. The one on TradingView is one of the best. There are others that are available on NinjaTrader and MetaTrader 4 and some other platforms that you can look at that are good, but they require a significant investment in the platform and other brokerages. But TradingView is by far the easiest to get into and the best possible representation of it. There used to be platforms that were specifically dedicated to market profile and volume profile, but they have since been bought up and then ingested into other very specific platforms. So they're not available for public consumption, which is unfortunate. It always seemed to me that volume profile and even market profile were always the tool of the professional. They were couched that way. That's what most pros, since the 80s, since market profile came out, they have kept it for their own selves. And then volume profile, and as computing came more prolific, and the ability to be able to visualize these things on charts became easier. It was still the tool of the pro, but they had other ways of seeing the same thing, like the trading dome and various tools that they would use to see order flow. And again, always in the realm of the pro. And very rarely would you see these tools available to average people. And even when they were available, they were always paid for services, which they still are, and not easily gotten to until somebody spent the time to sort of illustrate it. I will take responsibility for that because I spent a lot of time from 2015 to 2018, where I taught thousands of people on volume profile. And at the time, I was doing it mostly on Bitcoin because I felt that it really unearthed structure and allowed people to make trades. And I got a lot of people interested in it. And I think that is largely why it became so popular in Bitcoin. I'm not going to take credit for the fact that other people in other markets are doing it, but I think I had something to do with it. And it is a great tool. It's backed up by real math and studies, and it's real. It is the only tool that actually gives you leading information. It's a leading indicator, even though it's mapped out of historical information. And that is because the historical information, as Benoit Mandelbrot says, has created a memory, a market memory. And the market, for any number of reasons, is playing to that long-term memory, mostly because they have existing positions on that last for a long time. And over time, that market structure becomes imbued or canonized. I don't know what's the term that you would use, that it becomes embedded in the current reality. This is what the market is, and the institutions pay attention to it. I wish I could figure out what's the best way to describe that. What is the mass psychosis that goes on in the markets? Why the institutions keep on paying attention to the historic levels? But they do.
Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button below. If there's any questions that you might have for Coach Ernie, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Thanks guys.